Go and subsidize petroleum product. Go and ease the cost of living. But don't ask us to vote another 5 billion rupees. We will not. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Look at you. No. What did you say? What did you say? Please withdraw that word. I withdraw that word towards me. Leave the house. Leave the house. I would not say the same to you. Leave the house. The whole population knows. I will not say the same to you. Leave the house. Leave the house. Carry him away. Carry him away. Get out from here. Carry him away. Get out from here. Get out from here. Carry him away. Carry him away. Carry him away. Get out from the house. Carry him away. Carry him away. Now I am naming Honorable Joanna Béranger for the word lash. I am naming her. Sergeant at Arms. That was a plan. That was planned.